Good morning, children. Welcome to the new session. Let's begin with today's new chapter, which is large numbers. Now, under large numbers, we are going to study 5-digit, 6-digit, and 7-digit numbers. How do I get the smallest 5-digit number? In grade 3, the largest number which you have learned is 9,999. If I add 1, I get the smallest 5-digit number. Similarly, the largest 5-digit number, if I add 1, I get the smallest 6-digit number. And the largest 6-digit number, if I add 1, I get the smallest 7-digit number. And in today's session, we are going to learn about place value chart, represent numbers on Indian place value chart, read and write numbers, place value and face value of a number, expanded form and standard form of a number. So let's begin with the Indian place value chart. So this is how the Indian place value chart of a 7-digit number looks like. It's divided into 3 periods: ones, thousands and lakhs. The ones period is divided into ones, tens, hundreds. The thousands period is divided into thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs period is divided into lakh and 10 lakh. This is how we represent using capital letters. Now let's see, how do I write a given number under the place value chart. So let's take this number. Here 2 is in the ones place. So I write 2 here, 8, 4, 2, 1, 2 under the lakhs and 6 under the 10 lakhs. And then I separate the periods with commas. And how do I read them? 62 lakh 12,482. I do not say 62 lakhs or 12,000s because the period is always written and read in singular. Now let's see, how do I write the numbers in words. So let's take the first example, 73604. I write places on the top. And I separate the periods, ones, tens, 100, comma. So how do I write it? It is 73,000 600 4. There is no digit in the tens place. The digit in the tens place is 0. Hence, it is not written here. The next example, I write the places, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. And then I separate. So, ones, tens, 100, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma. So, how do I read it? 2 lakh 57,000 189. And the last example, again I write my places. And I insert the commas. So it is 62 lakh 12,000 482. I hope till now it is clear, children. We learned the place value chart, how to write a number and read under the place value chart, and how to insert comma, write number names and read them. Let's go forward. The next topic is writing numerals. So here the number names are given and we have to write them as numerals. So let's read them. 67,364. So which is the biggest place I have here? It is 67,000. So my value goes till the 10,000s place. So I write my places till 10,000. And then I'm going to replace it under it. 67,000. So 67 comes under the thousands. 364. And then I separate them with commas. The next one, 5,26,386. Which is the biggest place here? It is 5 lakh. Lakh is the biggest place. So I'm going to write my place till lakh. So it is 5 lakh. 5 comes under the lakh place. 26,000. 26 under the thousands place. 300. 3 under the 100. 86. 86. And then I separate using commas. So 5,26,386. And the last example is 20,72. So here the biggest place I have is 20 lakh. So it is the 10 lakh which is the biggest place. So let's write the places. So 20 lakh. So under lakh I will write 20. Then 72 which comes under the tens and ones. What do I do with the places which are empty? I'm going to put zeros there. And then I insert the comma. So my number becomes 20,72. The next topic is place value and face value of a digit. The place value of a digit is the place it occupies in a number. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Let's see with an example. So I have a 5-digit number here. Let's see the place value of each digit. Let's start with 4. So before that, again, we will write the values so that it is convenient for us to identify. So 4 ones. So I write 4 ones in words, or I can also write it as 4. The next is 3. So it is 3 tens, or I can write in numbers as 30. Next is 2. So it is 2 hundreds. So 2, or in numbers like this. The next is 6. So 6 is under thousands, or in number 6,000. And the last digit is 5. 5 is under the 10,000s place. So I will write 5 10,000. Or 5 10,000 can also be written as 50,000. So I can write a place value in words or in numbers. Both ways are correct. Now let's see the face value of each digit. So the face value of 4 will be 4 because the face value remains same. The face value of 3 will be 3. The face value of 2 will be 2. The face value of 6 will be 6 and the face value of 5 will be 5. Let's take one more example. So I have 3 numbers here and I have 8 in all these numbers at different places. It is also underlined. Now we are going to write the place value and the face value of the underlined digit. So let's write the values on the top first. So this 8 comes under the 10,000s place. So what is my place value? It is 8 10,000 or it is 80,000. And what is the face value? 8. Let's take the next number. I write my places. So it is 8 lakh. So how do I write 8 lakh? So it is 8 lakh in words or I can write it as 8 lakh in numbers. And again my face value remains same. It is 8. What about the last number? It is 8 hundreds. 8 hundreds in words or 8 hundreds in numbers and the face value is 8. So now we move ahead to learn expanded form and standard form of a number. The expanded form of a number is basically the sum of the place value of all the digits in the number. Now let's take an example. This number, let's put the places on the top. My first digit is 3. 3 is under the 10,000s place. So I will write it as 3 10,000s plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 5 tens plus 7 ones. So this is the word form of writing it. Let's write the number form. So what is 3 10,000? So basically I write 3 here and these all digits become 0. Plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 7. So this is the expanded form in words, expanded form in numbers. Let's take the next example. So my first one is 1 lakh plus 4 10,000 plus there is no thousand here, so I do not write it, or if I write also it's not wrong. 800 4 tens plus 0, I don't have it. Either I leave it or if I write it will be 0. Let's write the number way. So it is 1 lakh plus 40,000 plus, I do not write the 0 this time. So it is 800 plus 40. Again it is 0, so I leave it. And the last number, okay, so here 7 is under 10 lakh. So it will be 7 10 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus, I do not write all these digits because they are all zeros. I do not have any counting number here. Plus 4 ones, or in numbers it will be 70 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 4. I again do not write the zeros. Now let's see how the standard form is. So this way of writing is the expanded form, and if I write it in numbers, it is called as the standard form. So this is the expanded form, this is the standard form. This is the expanded form and this will be the standard form. So let's see how to do it. So here it's given as 310 lakh plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 4 tens plus 8 ones. So which is the biggest place here? It is 10 lakh. So I'm going to write my places till 10 lakh. Okay, so it is 310 lakh. So 3 comes under the 10 lakh place. 5,000, so 5 comes under thousands place. 600, so 6 is here. 4 tens and 8 ones. What do I do if I do not have any digits? I'm going to put a 0 here, and then I'm going to insert commas to separate the periods. So ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma. So this is 30 lakh 5,648. Now let's take another example. So here one was given in the word form to write the standard form, and here it is given in the number form and we are going to write the standard form. So which is the biggest number here? This one. And what is the biggest place? Let's see the place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So I'm going to write my values till lakhs. Okay, so here this is 6 lakh. So 6 comes under lakh. This is 50,000, which is also 5 10,000. So I'm going to write 5 under the 10,000s place. 60, which means 6 tens. 6 is here. 2 ones. So 2 comes under the ones place. Again, the empty spaces go as zeros, and then I separate the period. So ones, tens, 100, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma. So I hope you have understood the topics, children. The last part of the session is your practice questions. Whatever we have learned today, I have given few questions to you. I would request each one of you to solve these questions and check. Thank you. Have a great day.